Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start with our chapter number 8, multiples and factors. We have already started with the chapter. Now we are going to continue with it. So in this we are going to start with problem set 33. Question number 1 in that question first says write 5 3-digit numbers that are multiples of 2. So we have learned the test of divisibility, yes or no? So here we have to write the 3-digit numbers, 5 3-digit numbers, understood? Which should be multiples of 2. And we have already learned that in test of divisibility, at units place, if there is the number, even numbers like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, they are the multiples of 2. So we have to make that numbers, understood? So we will start the 3-digit numbers that are multiples of 2 are. So first we'll start with 100. See here, units place there is even number, that is 0. Then 762 434. Then 518 and last 516 and last 868. Understood? These are the multiples of 2. We only have to concentrate on the units place, that is at units place there should be even number. Understood? So you can write it on your own also. Next is write 5 3-digit numbers that are multiples of 5. So the test of divisibility says what? At units place, when it is 0 and 5, then that number is the multiple of 5. Understood? So we'll write here the 3-digit numbers that are multiples of 5 are 510, 625. Then we can write 780. We can also write 955. And the last we can write like 430. Observe it carefully. At units place there is only 2 numbers, that is 0, 5, 0, 5 and 0. Understood? So these numbers are multiples of 5. Third question, very easy. Write 5 3-digit numbers that are multiples of 10. So which numbers are the multiples of 10? At units place, when there is only 0, that numbers are the multiples of 10. So we will write here the 3-digit numbers that are multiples of 10 are 560, 700, 980, 100, 650. So at units place there is only 0, then they are the multiples of 10. Now we will move on to the next question. Write 5 numbers that are multiples of 2 as well as 3. So now we have to write the numbers which are both multiples of 2 and 3. So we will write here the numbers that are multiples of 2 as well as 3 are. So we'll do one thing, we will write here tables of 2. 2 ones are 2, then 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Now we'll write 3's table. 3 ones are 3, 3 2's are 6, 3 3's are 9, 3 4's are 12, 3 5's are 15, 3 6's are 18, 3 7's are 21, 3 8's are 24, 3 9's are 27, 3 10's are 30. Now we will observe the same numbers. See here. Which number is same? 2 is there? No. 4? No. 6? Yes. 6 is here. In 2's table also? 3. Then 8? No. 10? No. 12? Yes. Then 14? No. 16? No. 18? Yes. Then 20? No. 22? No. 24? Yes. See here. Then 26, not 28, not 30. Yes. So we get the numbers 5. Yes or no? 5 numbers we got. So we will write here the numbers that are multiples of 2 as well as 3 are 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. Not and 30. More numbers are there, but we only have to write 3 numbers. Understood? Now we will move on to our next sum. A ribbon is 3 meters long. Can we cut it into 50 centimeter pieces and have nothing left over? Write the reason why or why not. So what we have to do here, there is a ribbon of 3 meters. Understood? We have to cut that ribbon in each of 50 centimeter pieces, and we have to cut in such a way that none of the not a single centimeter of ribbon should be left. Understood? So we'll start here. Length of ribbon is how much? 3 meters. But we have to cut it into centimeters. So we are going to convert meters into centimeter. So 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Yes or no? So we'll do here 3 into 100. It becomes 300 centimeter. Understood? Now we'll write here pieces to be cut into how much? Yes, 50 centimeter. So we'll do the division here. 50 and 300. So when we do the division here, what answer we get? That 50, how many times? 6 times. 50 6 are 300. See here the remainder, it is 0. Understood? It means that none of the ribbon is left. We can also do the division like this. 300 divided by 50. Here 0 cut, 0 cut. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. Like this also. Understood? So we'll write here. Therefore, the ribbon can be cut into how many pieces? 6. 6 pieces of 50 centimeter. It means that one piece is of 50 centimeter. So we'll write the answer here. There is no left over of the ribbon. Understood? Now we'll move on to our Next sum. Here next sum again, ribbon is how much? 3 meters long, but here there should be 8 pieces of 40 centimeter. Understood? There in 3 meters we have cut it into 6 pieces as 50 centimeter, but here they want 8 pieces of 40 centimeter. So we have to find whether the ribbon will remain or not, whether the ribbon will left or not. So first again, what is our first sentence? Length of the ribbon is equals to 3 meter, which is how much? 300 centimeter. Understood? Then we will write 8 pieces of ribbon is how much? 40 centimeter long. Therefore 8 into 40 we will do, yes or no? So it is how much? 320 centimeter. So here how many meters should be there? It should be 320 centimeter, and then only we can make 8 pieces of 40 centimeter. So therefore we'll write required ribbon minus length of the ribbon. Therefore 320 minus 300, the answer is 20 centimeter. So here 20 centimeter is remaining, so we'll write the answer. The ribbon is shorter by 20 centimeter. Understood? Last question. If the number given in the table is divisible by the given divisor, put right mark in the box. If it is not divisible by the divisor, put cross mark in the box. So here this is the divisor and this is the number. So here 15. We have to write whether the 15 is divisible by 2 or not. So see here at units place it is 5. It is not an even number, then it is not divisible by 2. Then see here 5, as the units place it is having 5, it means it is divisible by 5. Then 10, again 10 is not divisible by 15 is not divisible by 10. Next 30, again at units place it is 0, it means that it is divisible by 2. It is 0, so we know that the test of divisibility, when its units place it is having 0 and 5, it is divisible by 5. And the last it is having 0, that means it is divisible by 10 also. The next number is 34. So here 34 is divisible by 2. It is not divisible by 5, as it is not having 0 and 5 at its units place, and it is not having 0, so it is not divisible by 10. Then next 46, again divisible by 2 but not by 5 and 10. Then the next box 2, as it is 5, here it is not an even number, so it is not divisible by 2. It is divisible by 5. Yes, it is divisible by 5. It is divisible by 10. No, it is not. So we'll put here cross mark. 63, again not divisible by 2, not divisible by 5, not divisible by 10. Here 2, yes, it is divisible by 70 is divisible by 2. Here 5 and 10. Last 84 is divisible by 2. Yes, it is having even number at its units place. Then it is not by 5 and not by 10. So with this we have done problem set 33.